Good morning, you guys. It is June 1st. This is Miss Reed, and we're going to record your purple journals. So for your purple journals, you have extra symbol support. So all the core words are big and capitalized that you can find on your device. And I'll go ahead and pause it. If you don't have your device, you can go ahead and go get it. All right, let's get started. Today's word is airplane. First color is green. What group or category does it belong to? Does it have to do with transportation, or does it have to do with sports? Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job answering. Next is blue. What do you do with it, or what does it do? Can you drive on the road in an airplane, or can you travel in the sky in an airplane? Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job answering. Next is I. What does it look like? And remember, this is 3 different things we'll go over. So first, what size is it? Are airplanes long, or are airplanes short? Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job. Next is what color is it? Do airplanes look silver, or do they look white? Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job. Next is what size is it? Are airplanes big, or are airplanes little? Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job answering. Then comes wood. What is it made from? Are airplanes made up of snow, or are they made up of metal? Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job answering. Then comes pink. What are its parts? Does airplane have wings, or do airplanes have hot tubs? Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job. And then comes white. Where would you see it or use it? Can you find an airplane at an airport, or can you find an airplane at Ben Davis? Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job. And the last one is orange. What else do you know about airplanes? Do you know that airplanes are built to withstand lightning strikes? Or do you know that some airplanes have bedrooms? Or if you know something else about airplanes, you could put that in the orange. Go ahead and pause to answer. Great job. You guys are finished with today's journal. Make sure you go ahead and click submit.